What is an acquisition? An acquisition is a business transaction in which one company purchases another company to gain control over it. In simple words, acquisition means one company buys another company. The company that buys is called the acquiring company, and the company being bought is called the target company. Acquisitions are common in the business world and are used to grow faster, enter new markets, or gain new technology. A company may acquire another company by buying its shares or purchasing its assets. After an acquisition, the acquired company may continue operating under its own name or be fully merged into the acquiring company. There are two main types of acquisitions. The first is a friendly acquisition, where both companies agree to the deal. The second is a hostile acquisition, where the buying company takes control without approval from the target company's management. Companies pursue acquisitions for several reasons. They may want to increase market share, reduce competition, expand products, or achieve cost savings. For example, a large technology company may acquire a smaller startup to gain innovative technology. Acquisitions can be paid using cash, stock shares, or a combination of both. Although acquisitions can create growth opportunities, they also involve risks such as integration problems and cultural differences between companies. Investors closely watch acquisitions because they can significantly affect company value and stock prices. In simple terms, acquisition means one company buying another to expand or strengthen its business. Easy way to remember. Acquisition means business growth through buying another company.